Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a sticky note comments to your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF software. Now select this review option and here you will find this add note option. Click here. Now put your note where you want and see this. You can change this note position and this box. Double click on this box and type text what you want and drag your mouse or select your text. You can say in this way you can add as many as call out you want or select that button. You can reply or type new text and you can move this call out position. See this. Yeah. In this way you can add sticky note to your PDF file. And finally save this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.